Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. Today we are going to discuss how to read write Excel file in Databricks. So in today's agenda, we will see how to install external module from Maven, how to upload an Excel file in DBFS location, how to read the Excel file, and how to write the Excel file. So let's begin. You have to go to the compute section, go to your cluster that you created and libraries tab, and then you see the install new. In the install, you have a library source. Go to the Maven and put your module name called Spark.excel and hit on install. Now it is installed. Let's go ahead and upload a file in the DBFS location. So I will go to this file itself. I will click on File, Upload Data to DBFS. There is an option called Drag and Drop to upload the file. So you can just drop your file here and click on Next, and it will give you the file path that you can go ahead and use it while reading it. So in this, I got this particular file path. The file name is called trans that I created. And now I will go ahead and read the Excel file. In order to read the Excel file, you have the spark.read.format, and in the format you have to provide the module name called com.crealytics.spark.excel, and I have given the option header equal to true and load the file name, which is this one, this file name. So let me go ahead and execute this. Now let me read the file that is created in the data frame. Now, if I will see what is the schema, all of them are in the string format that it displayed. So that's how you can go ahead and read the Excel file. For writing the Excel file, I already have a CSV file called employee1 CSV inside the input CSV variable, and I will be writing it into this output XLSX location with the same name as employee1. So I will execute this and I will create a data frame. I will read the input file and I will go ahead and display it. Now I will go ahead and write this data frame into the Excel file. So for that, you just have to put the data frame name, the write module format is the same format using which you are reading the Excel file. The option is header, which I've given it as true, and save it into this Excel file path. So I'm executing this. So now once it is executed, you will see in the data location in the DBFS file store, shared uploads, the email address and the employee one. So we read this CSV file and we have written it into this XLSX file. If you feel this video added value to your knowledge and helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you have a good day.